Is now a good time to buy or sell real estate?
Whether you are trying to buy or sell a house right now, you know just how rough the market is out there. Sky-high interest rates, not seen in nearly a quarter century, are putting those monthly mortgage payments out of reach and making for the slowest housing market since the Great Recession.
Is now a good time to buy or sell real estate? And who am I and what makes me qualified to be able to tell you whether now is a good time to buy or sell real estate? My name is Tanisha Evans Barrett. I am a real estate agent located in Greenville, South Carolina. I have been a real estate agent for the past 4 years.
I'm certified in trust and foreclosure property, I'm a strategy advisor, I'm a mentor with my brokerage, blah.
I know you don't want to hear all of that. You want to get straight to the point, and I get that. I want to get straight to the point, but before I do, I just need you to do me one favor. I need you to like this video, subscribe to my channel. You don't have to do it right now, but if you find any value throughout this video, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you hit the subscribe button. It allows me to keep pushing out more content for you guys. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into the topic at hand. Is now a good time to buy or sell real estate? First of all, it depends on whether you're looking to buy real estate or whether you're looking to sell real estate. Right now, I'm sure you've seen all of the headlines, all of the news talking about interest rates. Interest rates have skyrocketed. Interest rates are past 7%, they're past 8%. Inflation is up. Groceries are high, rent is high, mortgages are high, and wages are still low. Wages are still not keeping up with the price of everything. So of course, there's fear. There's fear in the real estate market, but whether you should buy or sell real estate is going to depend on your specific circumstance. You are looking to purchase real estate. I'm not going to be that real estate agent that hits you with the
It's always a great time to buy real estate.
but I will say this, if you are looking to purchase a home or thinking about purchasing a home and wondering if you should make that purchase, first things first, you need to talk to the professionals. You need to talk to a mortgage professional. You need to get pre-approved and figure out what purchasing a home looks like for you. That is going to vary depending on your specific circumstances, your household size, how much income you make, whether or not you have a house to sell, whether you're a first-time home buyer, how much money you have saved up. There are so many factors that go into determining whether or not now is the right time for you to purchase and whether you can get pre-approved for a home and pre-approved for the amount that you are looking to purchase. Once you speak with a mortgage professional, you also want to reach out to a real estate professional. You want to make sure you have a good idea of what home prices are in your specific area. You want to make sure you know what the market is doing in your specific area. Each market is different on a local level. So what do I mean? For instance, you may be in a market where inventory is extremely low. So even though interest rates are high, you may still not have enough homes for the buyers that are looking to purchase a home. Therefore, you could potentially still be seeing bidding wars or homes not sitting on the market long at all. Whereas another local market, homes may be sitting on the market for an average of 60 to 80 days. So you want to make sure you know what's going on in your specific market, and the best way to do that is to speak with the professionals. Now, if you already own a home and you're wondering whether or not now's a good time to sell your home, again, that depends. What are your plans? Are you selling your home to purchase a new home? Are you downsizing? Are you upgrading? Are you selling a home and moving into an RV? Are you moving in with someone? What are your plans? That's going to make a huge difference, because right now with interest rates up past 7%, past 8%, if you got locked in with an interest rate of say 3% or 4%, you are essentially paying double or more than double for the same price home. So you want to make sure you know what the numbers look like. Also, it depends on how much equity you have. What are your plans with your equity? Are you looking at pocketing some of the equity? Maybe you have a business venture that you want to get into and you want to take some of that equity and then you want to take the rest of the equity and purchase another home, you need to make sure you are speaking with a mortgage professional as well. If you are planning on purchasing another home, you need to know what the numbers look like, how much you have to put down, and what this next house is going to cost you. Now, if you are thinking about purchasing a home and you've spoken to your mortgage professional, you've spoken to your real estate professional, and you know what the numbers look like, and you know what the numbers look like in the area that you're thinking about moving in, then there are some pros to purchasing a home right now, even with interest rates up compared to what they were. Let me stop you right here. Real estate agents that are watching this video, yes, interest rates are up. And yes, they are still lower than what they were back when your grandma purchased a home. But homes were also a lot cheaper. A 16% interest rate on a $40,000 home is a lot different from an 8% interest rate on a $400,000 home. Let me just do the math for you real quick. That's the math. Okay, bring it back, Tanisha. Bring it back, bring it back. Bring it back on in. All right, now, if you're thinking about purchasing a home, there are still some pros to you purchasing a home right now despite interest rates being up. One of those pros is that there is likely, again, it depends on your specific market, but there is likely not a bidding war. You have more time to think about your decision. If you like a home or if you think you like a home, you have more time to contemplate over whether that's the right choice, whether that's the right area, whether that's just the right home and circumstance for you. So you're not as rushed into making a decision as you may have been a few years prior. Now, another benefit into purchasing a home right now is that you are still not renting. You are still not throwing your money away. By purchasing a home, you have more options available to you because you are building equity. Now, of course, no one knows what the real estate market is going to do. I know there's fear that the real estate market is going to crash and that homeowners could potentially be underwater, but that will likely not be the case, especially as long as you are not overpaying on your home. And without that rushed feeling like there are other buyers ready to swoop in and take the home from you, then you have more time to do your due diligence and to make sure that you're not overpaying for the home. And of course, the bank is still going to come out and make sure that the home is worth what the seller is saying that it's worth and what you are paying. So as long as you're not coming out of pocket and paying more than what the home is worth, like some home buyers were a few years prior, then you should be okay. And to my home sellers, unfortunately, you are not able to get bukus and bukus of money for your home like you may have been previously, where buyers were overpaying. What I would suggest is that if you are selling a home, make sure you are speaking with your real estate professional and you are figuring out what the market is looking like, what are the average days on market, so that you know what to expect. So the question, is now a good time to purchase or sell a home? It depends. Make sure you're relying on the professionals. Make sure you are figuring out what your options are. You're determining why you want to purchase a home, why you want to sell a home, and you know what that looks like financially for you. If you have done all of that, then you hold the answer, my friends. I hope this video helped. I hope you found it valuable. If so, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. It means so much to me if you would subscribe to my channel. It lets me know that you are interested in my videos and that you want to see more. And guys, I know the real estate market is extremely frustrating right now. Hang in there. Real estate is a cycle. Let me say that one more time for the people in the back. Real estate is cyclical. Real estate is cyclical. Hang in there and make sure you are doing what's best for you. And with that being said, I appreciate you so much for watching my video. Make sure you stay tuned and you check out all the other videos on my page. And until next time, you guys.